Why do mothers get all the credit and fathers get all the blame? Watch this.
Of my soul, my passion, work.
This is Usher's acceptance speech. This is a very important thing. Today we're talking about why do mothers get all the credit and fathers get all the blame.
From the depths of my soul, my passion, work is what has mattered for me the moment my mother made me understand what purpose lies with the opportunity to be able to speak to the entire world.
Now, this is extremely important, man. Okay. His mother, he says that his mother made him realize his purpose. Kudos to her, man. That's awesome. A lot of mothers, we can't go hard on them like that. A lot of mothers didn't have a choice. Sometimes you can pick the right man, sometimes you can pick the right women. People change. Sometimes you make a mistake and the relationship is over. You grow in relationships. Sometimes you thought you picked the right person, but you were too immature. That person decided to give you and had patience for you to try to see if you would grow, but you didn't grow. But he said something very important. He's thanking his mother, maybe because his mother was the only one around. But imagine what a male could do about purpose, telling his son, how great would Usher be if he had a male positive role model in his life? Not Diddy, not these other niggas that allegedly did shit to him. A positive role model.
I recognize her more than anybody. I know it's on the prompter. Hold on, don't move. I just wanted to say something before I started. But I wanted to make it known far too often in our industry do women, not get the recognition that they truly deserve. And when we first started, it was even harder for a mother to believe in the dreams that I had because I was unwavering, being raised without a father in our home, being raised as from a single parent. It was a lot. But she was more defined. If anyone deserves it more than anybody, it's her. Because
Usher feels that his mother deserves his award more than anyone. How many times have we seen athletes thank their mothers? I'm not saying the mothers don't deserve credit. Absolutely not. I'm taking, I want you guys to think about, put your thinking caps on. Think about the amount of times and the amount of praise that your mother gets that maybe she doesn't necessarily deserve, but it was by default. How many of you guys have asked your mom, why did your mom leave? Ask your mother why I left. Why your father left? Did she drive him away? Was your father too weak enough to be a man and raise you, teach you the gems that you needed to avoid the pitfalls that most of us have fallen into?
the tenacity that it took to look within a male dominant industry and believe in your son unwaveringly, and no matter how hard those boardrooms may have been, she didn't have the experience. Thank God she had Donald Passman in order to read his book and understand the industry. But because of that, I have this moment. So first and foremost, Mom, even though I wrote you down in it, I want you to know how much I really love, appreciate, honor, recognize, appreciate you.
Okay. Not much we can do about that, but to honor the people that were there for you. We're talking about women not liking dad, um, mama's boys. Okay. A lot of us didn't have a choice. We didn't understand. We had to process and understand where the love should be directed. And if you still have your mother in your life, you should be blessed and thankful. I know I am, even though we don't see things eye to eye, even though I understand now. I understand what she is, not who she is. That's a little rough on the relationship, but I'm still blessed that she's still around. I still love her dearly. And I know that being a man of a certain age and having discernment, she did the best that she could. But for you younger guys who are still striking out in life, and what does that mean? You're still striking out in having some type of direction. You're still striking out and finding out what you can do with yourself to become a better version of yourself. if you're still striking out and understanding and refuse to accept the fact that women are doing things because they need to, their women are doing things because they're followers. This is extremely important. So when we talk about single parents, we talk about a man's desperation because he doesn't understand that he's the prize. A lot of times, men date single mothers.
If it's some mothers in here, bro, please stop. Please let your child see their father, especially if they a good father. Let your child see their father. If y'all just don't know, that ruins us inside. Like, it ruins us bad. Like, our relationship, like, we have to grow up with this. And this gonna forever be a story of our lives growing up without our father. Like, if you got a child right now and you're literally keeping them away from their father, you ruin the kid's life. It's not gonna come back good on you. They gonna always have this hatred towards you. You feel me? For you keeping them, but if you like keeping them away from a father for a good reason, like he a drug addict or something like that, or he just can't get right, then yeah, I understand. But if he's a good father, let the man see his child for sure. Like, for real, like, let him see his child, because I'm telling you, we need our father figures. You feel me? We need our father figures. We love our mom. We love y'all to death. We love our mom so much, but we need our father figures. We need that, that manly in our life. You feel what I'm saying? So please let your child see their father, especially if they're a great father. And if you are anything like me, and you're grown now and you have the chance to go find your father, and he actually like a good person, I advise y'all to go find y'all father and go talk to your father and catch up on times. Cause look, this life is short, bro. I understand that this life is short and you only get one father. You feel me? So I feel like I gained enough confidence to go actually speak to my dad and have a conversation with him and see like what he's been going through all these years without seeing me.